after I discovered this trick. Never appeared ants, cockroaches, and flies in my house again. To start this tip, I will put the peel of an onion inside a pot. Tell me if you've ever used onions in some homemade cleaning trick. I'd love to know. I'll also use some garlic peel. Here I will use the equivalent of 2 tea, but you can use the amount you prefer. Then I will put 200 milliliters of water and boil. Guys, do it at your house. And then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure everyone will love this trick. Let's transfer the mixture we prepared into a container. With the help of a sieve, I will remove the remaining shells. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Phelps, Tabasco, Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of detergent. That trick changed the way I clean my house. I'm sure it will transform yours as well. Even I was surprised the first time I did it. It is very efficient after ready and lasts a long time. I'll transfer everything into a spray bottle. It will help control the dosage we use during your application. It is much better than those products sold in the markets to scare off insects. And all this using only a few ingredients present in everyday life of anyone. I'm sure you'll get into your routine, just like you got into mine. Come see how easy it is to apply. The first place I will use our product is in front of a drain. This is the main place that cockroaches and other unwanted insects use to enter our house. You will realize that once you start using this product, no insect will appear in any room of your home. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to make this amazing mixture. You can also use on top of household appliances, like your microwave, for example. Being a place that is in contact with enough food, it's common to find ants in this region. But now you will never have to worry about it, since our mixture will end all your problems. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this infallible tip. To finish, you can also apply directly on the floor. To finish once and for all. With any chance to find insects in your house, I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.